Pregnancy is a beautiful state of being, an experience unlike anything else on earth. Pregnancy culminates in the momentous act of giving of birth to a child, one of the most wonderful and joyful moments of parenting. You dream up visions for your child's future happiness and well-being. Preserving cord blood stem cells through cord blood banking is one of the finest ways of ensuring future health of the baby as well as that of family. Right at the moment of birth, the newborn infant is connected to the mother's body through the umbilical cord that serves to be the nutrition channel between the mother and baby during the entire tenure of pregnancy. Post-delivery, the cord is generally discarded as a medical waste. The umbilical cord contains tissue and blood rich in stem cells. Stem cells are unique as they are unspecialized and can differentiate into other cells as well as regenerate into daughter stem cells. These cells are the vital building blocks of the body's organs and tissues. Stem cells are derived from various sources including bone marrow, dental pulp, peripheral blood and umbilical cord, amongst which the umbilical cord blood stem cells stands to be of the highest efficacy considering its nascent nature, quantity available, painless process of collection and lesser chances of evidence of graft versus host disease, that is GVHD post-therapy. Cryoviva acts as a safeguarding agent for the stem cells collected and preserve it for a committed tenure, ensuring complete safety of the sample. These samples remain as the property of the client and can be used by the client for any of the health requirements that are cured using stem cells, either for the baby or the entire family. These stem cells are used for around 100 life-threatening diseases for which no other medical cure is available. The preservation of stem cells is basically considered as a biological insurance for the entire family. After birth, the umbilical cord is clamped and cut. Cord blood is collected from umbilical cord vein by experts. Collected blood is safely packed in proprietary transfer kits and within 24 hours reaches our labs. The sample quality is evaluated and all the required tests are conducted for maximum safety. Cord blood is processed by patented technologies to yield maximum number of stem cells. The end product is stored at -196 degrees Celsius for 21 years. Cryoviva has a dedicated team of medically certified and trained professionals available 24/7 to assist in collection at the time of delivery. Immediately following delivery of the child, the cord blood is drained by gravity process into special heparin-free bags and 15 cm cord tissue is collected in special vials to be sent to Cryoviva lab for further processing and storage. The collection kit is equally critical for ensuring sample safety. This is a unique kit developed to stringent international standards and packaging regulations. It consists of a unique flap-structured gel pack, which is one of its kind to ensure complete coverage of the collection bag and delivering better temperature maintenance during transport. Apart from this, it is provided with a triple-layer thermo-insulation using thermo-insulating foil and a thermocol pack for eradication of any chances of temperature disbalance, as transport of the sample at the regulated temperatures serves to be the most critical factor affecting the viability of sample. Logistics is one of the most crucial aspects of the entire operation of cord blood banking. Cryoviva has a well-connecting network across the country to ensure the fastest delivery of sample in the processing facility. The transportation of samples is handled by our channel partners who are experts in their field of operations to match our quality commitments. Being a biological sample, it is transported with special X-ray waiver certifications, preventing its passage through X-ray machines during transport. Cryoviva, the world's leading cord blood banking institution, relies on FACT and AABB accredited Swiss technology, termed CPAX, through its exclusive tie-up with Biosafe Switzerland to process cord blood that provides 52% higher yield of stem cells, minimizes cell damage and eliminates risk of mixing of unit. FDA-approved technology is fully automated and is the world's highest accredited technology for cord blood processing. It guarantees highest recovery of stem cells and for its constant results is being trusted by around 70% of the public banks across the globe. The sensor-based separation gives maximum precision to the technology and deliverance of constant result. As this technology is accredited by the medical regulatory bodies of countries across the globe, so it imparts a hassle-free usage of sample anywhere in the globe. CPAX technology has proven its results constantly and till date around 350,000 samples have been successfully processed and preserved across the globe. This technology has also proven its expertise as evidenced in transplants being used successfully for around 14,000 transplants. Cryoviva uses an explant technique, which is a non-enzymatic method of culturing the tissues in the most natural condition to ensure a better yield of highly viable cells for effective therapeutic applications. It avoids the post-storage tissue loss of the most precious cord tissue MSCs. This technology is being specially imparted by Cryoviva through its exclusive partnership with Da Vinci Biosciences, a leading organization on cellular therapy. This technology is duly patented for human clinical applications, which makes it acceptable for therapies as per the guidelines of regulatory authorities as an ICMR in India. This technology enables deliverance of cells as per the ISCT guidelines, that is International Society of Cellular Therapy, which includes all testing, that is a mandate requirement for usage of stem cells for therapy. Testing is the next crucial stage as it is the determinant of quality for entire processing and storage. There are various tests conducted through highly precise and automated instruments with process that are accredited to NABL. The cord blood is tested for the critical factors. The cord tissue is tested as per the ISCT guidelines and maternal blood is tested for infectious disease markers and NAT confirmatory testing. These tests serve to be quite important before storage of product to make the stem cells usable in future for any kind of intended therapies. The purpose of collecting cord blood stem cells is to have them available in future for the need of the child, close family members, or for any member of the community that could benefit from such stem cell transplantation. As such, Cryoviva storage facility is of the world's best standards. It cryogenically stores stem cells in vapor phase of liquid nitrogen at a temperature of -196 degrees Celsius with full backup and fail-safe measures for lifelong preservation. The storage is checked periodically using quality control samples and data recorded for constant monitoring of storage quality. Cryoviva follows global standards and has accreditations as well as certifications from the most stringent institutions. Cryoviva is accredited with AABB for cord blood and somatic cells, NABL, ISO certified for cord blood and tissue, DGCI approval, CGMP certification for cord blood and cord tissue. Cryoviva has received global recognition and awards from prestigious organizations as in Business Biz, ET Now, all of which symbolize the highest level of trust. Every commitment made by Cryoviva is backed upon by a certification ensuring deliverance of the committed standards. The certificates provided are CPAC certificate from BioSafe and Cryoviva, certificate of processing for cord blood with all test results as specified, explant certificate with all testing results as per ISCT guidelines, certificate for all offerings. Our dedicated technocrats involved at various stages and processes are well qualified and masters in their field with relevant qualifications, skill levels, knowledge, commitment and experience. Team consists of USA certified laboratory managers, technicians, back office staff. We have well qualified panel of doctors with years of experience to oversee our facility. This elite panel is enriching lives of many through their rich clinical excellence. RJ Corp, an international company responsible for bringing such famous global brands like KFC, Pepsi, Nike and Pizza Hut to India, Cryoviva International Indian operations were set up in a 28,000 square feet facility in Gurgaon, Haryana. Every 10 minutes, one baby in the world gets a new lease in life due to stem cell donations and treatment. As a parent, it is one of the best gifts you can give your child, the promise of life renewed. You give life, precious beyond measure.